High above London, a drone takes flight. The city below is a sprawling tapestry of history and modernity, where ancient landmarks stand shoulder to shoulder with contemporary marvels. As the drone ascends, the hustle and bustle of the streets fade into a distant hum, replaced by the serene expanse of the sky. Its mission, to reveal the majesty of Buckingham Palace. Nestled in the heart of London, this iconic structure is more than just a royal residence. It is a testament to the grandeur and resilience of the British monarchy. The palace grounds stretch out like a green oasis amidst the urban landscape, a sanctuary of tranquility and elegance. This is no ordinary building. With its stately facade and intricate architectural details, Buckingham Palace stands as a beacon of heritage and tradition. Each stone and column tells a story, echoing the voices of the past and the footsteps of those who have walked its halls. It is a symbol, a home, a piece of history. The palace has witnessed countless events that have shaped the nation, from grand state banquets to solemn ceremonies. Its walls have seen the rise and fall of empires, the joys and sorrows of the royal family, and the ever-changing landscape of British society. From the air, its grandeur is undeniable. The sweeping views reveal the palace in all its glory, a magnificent edifice that commands respect and admiration. The meticulously manicured gardens, the stately courtyards, and the imposing gates all contribute to the aura of regality that surrounds Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace has stood for centuries. Its timeless architecture is a blend of different styles reflecting the various eras it has survived. From the Georgian elegance to the Victorian grandeur, each addition and renovation has added to its unique character. A silent witness to the changing tides of history, the palace has seen monarchs come and go, each leaving their mark on its legacy. It has been a backdrop to pivotal moments in history, from coronations to jubilees, and even times of national mourning. Kings and queens have walked its halls. The palace has been home to generations of the royal family, each adding their own chapter to its storied history. It is a place where tradition meets the present, where the past is honored and the future is shaped. Prime ministers have graced its rooms. The palace has been a center of political power, where leaders have come to seek counsel and make decisions that have shaped the course of the nation. It is a place where history is made and where the future is envisioned. And now, we get a glimpse into its splendor. Through the lens of the drone, we are granted a rare perspective of this magnificent palace. We see it not just as a building, but as a living, breathing entity that continues to inspire and captivate. Buckingham Palace is more than just a royal residence. It is a symbol of a nation's heritage and a testament to its enduring legacy. The drone soars closer. Details emerge. Intricate carvings, sparkling windows. The sheer scale of the palace is breathtaking. This is neoclassical architecture at its finest. The famous balcony comes into view. Here, history has been made. Royal weddings, jubilee celebrations, moments etched in the nation's memory. The palace stands as a testament to the enduring power of tradition. Beyond the palace walls, a hidden oasis, the palace gardens, a sea of green amidst the urban sprawl. The drone captures the tranquility of this hidden gem. Paths meander through perfectly manicured lawns, fountains dance in the sunlight, a stark contrast to the bustling city beyond. Even from this height, the tranquility is palpable. Section 4, the heart of a nation, Buckingham Palace. More than just a residence, it is the heart of the British monarchy, a symbol of national unity and pride. The drone's footage emphasizes this. From here, the monarch carries out their duties, addressing the nation, hosting dignitaries, upholding centuries of tradition. The weight of history is tangible. Section 5, changing of the guard, a timeless spectacle. Below, a familiar scene unfolds. The forecourt of Buckingham Palace, a place steeped in history and tradition, comes alive with the changing of the guard ceremony. This event, witnessed by thousands of visitors each year, is a symbol of the British monarchy's enduring presence and the meticulous discipline of the guards. The changing of the guard. A spectacle that has been performed for centuries, it is a display of precision, discipline, and pageantry. The guards, dressed in their iconic red uniforms and bearskin hats, move in perfect harmony, each step a testament to their rigorous training and dedication. A tradition as old as time. The ceremony dates back to the reign of King Charles II in the 17th century. It has evolved over the years, but the core elements remain unchanged, preserving the essence of this historic ritual. The guards' movements are a choreographed dance, a blend of military precision and ceremonial grandeur. The drone captures the precision and pageantry of this iconic ceremony. From above, the intricate patterns formed by the marching guards are a sight to behold. Each movement is synchronized, a visual symphony that captivates onlookers and pays homage to centuries of tradition. The guards, in their scarlet uniforms, march in perfect unison. Their disciplined steps and unwavering focus are a reflection of their commitment to their duty. The vibrant red of their uniforms stands out against the historic backdrop of Buckingham Palace, creating a striking visual contrast. The sound of their footsteps echoes through the air, each step a rhythmic beat that resonates with the history of the palace grounds. The ambient sounds of the ceremony, from the commands of the officers to the clinking of the guards' equipment, add to the immersive experience, a reminder of the palace's enduring link to the past. The changing of the guard is more than just a ceremony, it is a living tradition that connects the present with the past. It is a testament to the resilience and continuity of the British monarchy, a timeless spectacle that continues to inspire awe and admiration. Section 6. Whispers of History. As the drone circles the palace, one can almost hear the whispers of history. The majestic structure stands as a silent witness to centuries of events that have shaped the course of nations. From the coronation of kings and queens to the quiet moments of reflection in its grand halls, Buckingham Palace is more than just a building, it is a repository of memories. The laughter of children playing in the gardens. These gardens have seen generations of royal children grow up, their innocent laughter echoing through the ages. The meticulously maintained lawns and vibrant flower beds are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the passage of time and the continuity of tradition. The murmur of important meetings. Within these walls, decisions that have shaped the destiny of the world were made. The rooms have hosted countless dignitaries, statesmen, and leaders, each contributing to the rich tapestry of history that Buckingham Palace embodies. The very air seems to hum with the energy of past deliberations and negotiations, the echoes of grand balls. The grand ballroom, with its opulent chandeliers and exquisite decor, has been the setting for numerous royal balls and state banquets. The music, the laughter, and the clinking of glasses create a symphony that reverberates through time, reminding us of the palace's role as a center of celebration and festivity. Each brick, each window pane, holds a story. The very fabric of the palace is imbued with the essence of those who have walked its corridors. From the skilled craftsmen who built it to the royals who have called it home, every element of Buckingham Palace is a piece of living history, waiting to be discovered. Tales of love, loss, triumph, and tragedy. The palace has been a silent witness to the full spectrum of human emotion. It has seen the joy of royal weddings, the sorrow of farewells, the triumphs of great achievements, and the tragedies of untimely losses. Each event adds another layer to the rich narrative that Buckingham Palace holds within its walls. Buckingham Palace has seen it all, from the grandest of state occasions to the most intimate of family moments. The palace stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the British monarchy. It is a place where history is not just remembered but lived, day in and day out. It is a living, breathing monument to the past. As the sun sets over Buckingham Palace, casting a golden glow over its stately facade, one cannot help but feel a deep sense of connection to the generations that have come before. The palace is not just a relic of history, it is a vibrant, dynamic symbol of a nation's heritage and its ongoing story. Section 7. A Legacy Forged in Stone. The drone begins its descent. Our virtual tour is coming to an end. But the image of Buckingham Palace lingers. Its grandeur, its beauty, its history. Buckingham Palace, a symbol of Britain, a place where history is made and a legacy that will endure for generations to come.